In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Typeform, whether you're facing issues, have queries about their services, or simply need guidance on how to best use Typeform for your needs. Reaching out to their support team can provide you with the answers you seek. Rest assured, I'll guide you through the process smoothly and efficiently, ensuring you know exactly what to do at each step. First things first, you'll need to head over to the Typeform website. It's here that the journey begins. Typeform's homepage is designed with simplicity and ease of navigation in mind, ensuring that whether you're a seasoned user or new to their platform, finding your way around is straightforward. Once you're on the homepage, your next step is to log into your account. To do this, look for the login button, which is typically located in the top right corner of the web page. Clicking on this will take you to the login page, where you'll have several options for how you wish to proceed with logging in. For many of us, the convenience of using Google to log into various services is unmatched. That's why Typeform includes the Continue with Google option. If your Typeform account is linked to your Google account, selecting this option will streamline the login process, making it faster and more secure. After choosing to continue with Google, there might be a short wait. These couple of minutes allow Typeform to securely verify your Google account information and log you into their system. It's a necessary step to ensure your account security, so a little patience here goes a long way. Now, logged into your account, you'll want to navigate to your Typeform workspaces. You can do this by visiting the specific URL provided for your workspace, or by navigating through the Typeform dashboard to find your workspace. The dashboard is intuitively designed, ensuring that accessing your workspaces is as easy as can be. Upon reaching your workspace, your next step will be to locate the support section. This is typically found in the top right corner of the screen. The support option is your gateway to receiving the assistance you need. Clicking here will open up Typeform's support options, where you can seek help for whatever issue or query you might have. It's at this point that you'll be introduced to Typeform's support bot. This innovative feature is designed to provide you with quick, automated responses to a range of common issues and questions. When you initiate a chat with the support bot, it's essential to be as clear and precise as possible regarding your issue or the information you're seeking. This precision will help the bot understand your needs and guide you to the best possible solution. Remember, the support bot is there to facilitate your access to help, but it might not always have all the answers. In cases where your issue is more complex or requires personal attention, the bot can guide you on how to escalate your query to a human support team member. This multi-tiered approach to support ensures that no matter your problem, you'll find the guidance you need. To wrap things up, contacting Typeform's support team is a straightforward process when you know the right steps to take, starting from logging into your account to navigating your way to the support options and communicating your needs. Each step is designed to be user-friendly and efficient. Whether you're dealing with a specific issue or just seeking general guidance, Typeform's support system is equipped to help. Remember, the quality of your request, including the details and clarity you provide, plays a significant role in how effectively the support team can assist you. So take a moment to gather your thoughts and articulate your query or issue as precisely as you can. And that, folks, is how you can contact Typeform for any support or assistance you may need. I hope this guide has been helpful, ensuring that your experience with Typeform is as smooth and productive as possible. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Happy form making!